Good evening, guys. Sean Dexter here from Mango, and today we're going to do a quick update on the Ethereum trade that we've been talking about for the past few days now. So here we have Ethereum USD on the 2-day chart, and we talked about how we took this trade off the 55 EMA on the 2-day. We got in at around 138.5-ish. After getting a nice little trace back, we got the bid off the 21 EMA and the 10 SMA between that zone. And we saw price move towards the upside right after that. So now, before I go on to the 1-day and talk about the areas of interest, I want to draw your attention to this green 55 EMA here and the yellow 21 EMA. As you can see, that's about to cross bullish. So keep an eye on that, guys, because that usually is an impetus for upward force and breaking upward resistances to the upside. So yeah, just a quick note on that. Let's go on to our 1-day. So yeah, we talked about how our first area of interest was 147. We broke that. Then after that, we were looking at the 158 zone, 157-ish, I think. Price did come, meet there, rested there for a bit, broke past that too. And then we were looking at our 12-hour highs. And yeah, so this zone over here, you guys see this green line here? Right, this is sitting at around 163. That's what I was looking for. I was looking for us to break that, and we did, and we broke that pretty convincingly. As soon as we did that, I got even more bullish. I wanted to increase my position, okay, but I didn't want to chase price because we actually did move really fast up. So what I did was I simply put a bid on the green, just right above the green line over here, around 162-ish, I think I got. I'm not sure, don't remember. But yeah, we got that retest. I increased my position over there, and I'm looking for price to move onward and upward. So we did talk about how price would do exactly this. We talked about how we are looking for a pit stop at around the 175 region. That's exactly what we did. Now I'm looking for us to break past this. But something I did leave out, I didn't talk about last time, was that we do have the 200 exponential moving average. That's my wrong template. Yeah, we have the 200 exponential moving average that would serve as resistance over here too. So keep an eye for that. I'm not expecting price to stay here too long, but that's something to take note of. So what am I looking for after? We talked about how we are looking for this zone over here. Let's put our horizontals again. The 269, and more importantly for me, it's the 299, or you could just say $300. That's what I'm actually looking for as the next major resistance. So if we do break past this 200 EMA, I think price is going to get sucked into this zone over here relatively quickly. Okay, so there's something else I did want to talk about. Okay, let's go back to our 2 days. Maybe it's over there. Yeah, let's take off the template over here. Let's put on one of my favorite tools, the Ichimoku. And I know I've not talked about this before, but this guys is actually my bread and butter. I make most of my trading decisions off this. So as you can see, okay, we have a bullish TK cross. We are above the 200 EMA, the 21 EMA, and the blue line here, which is your Tenkin, and the red line here, which is your Kiju, okay, have crossed bullish. Both of these lines, by the way, guys, they are simply tracking your highs and your lows, the average of your highs and your lows for a past period, depending on what settings you put. So I know a lot of people underestimate how powerful this can be, but if you learn how to use these lines, they can be a really useful tool. So yeah, anyways, going back to what I was saying, we have a bullish TK cross because the blue crossed over the red, and we have an entry towards into the cloud. This red zone here is your Ichimoku cloud. Okay. Usually on the higher time frames, and I'm talking about the daily and above, when you see and on the double Ichimoku settings, by the way, thank you, Josh. Anyways, when you see price enter the cloud, you will see there's a high probability for an edge-to-edge trade to the top side. So if we are looking for an edge-to-edge trade, now we are looking to this zone over here, right? Let's mark that out. Cool. And what do we have? We have confluence, eh? We have confluence to the horizontal that we talked about on our 1 day. So yeah, that I like to see that sort of thing, guys. So that's just increasing my confidence in this trade. Is there anything else I do want to talk about today? I want to keep this video really, really quick. Okay. You know, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. We've talked about the 2-day. We've talked about the 1-day. Let's go to the 3-day now, and let's do an inverse of our charts. Yeah, let's do this one instead. Okay, cool. So here we have our Ethereum USD on the inverse 3-day chart. Okay, so now I've said this before. I don't usually play patterns, but I do like to play with them just to have some fun and to see how things may probably play out. So okay, let's do this. Let's take our trend line and draw a trend line from here to there. Now I know these things don't have to be perfect. I know people like to have these lines touch perfectly, and you know, this is good enough. Actually, it is kind of perfect, but they don't need to be perfect is what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna put a horizontal line there, and what does this look like to you guys? To me, it looks like a descending triangle with a break of it right over here. Now remember, this is a 3-day chart, right? So we have a 3-day actually closing today, right? Tomorrow we are going to be opening a brand new 3-day candle, the 4th of April 2019. We have a break of this horizontal, and we have volume confirmation. Look at that. Look at that. We have the perfect volume characteristics, descending volume, and a sudden break. Okay, so could this be what we are doing? Because if so, this could be the perfect impetus for a move all the way to possibly all-time highs. Now again, I don't like to play patterns. I don't base any of my decisions off these patterns, but it is fun to look at. So yeah, I just want to leave you guys with that for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, throw the channel a like and a subscribe. Let me know your comments, your critique, blah blah blah. Yeah, trade safe, have fun, and enjoy. See you guys.